Ready to unlock the power of personalized communication within Aisensy by assigning unique numbers to your contacts. First, navigate to the Contacts section in your Aisensy dashboard. You'll typically find it on the left-hand side menu. Click on it to access your contact list. Now, locate the specific contact you want to assign a number to. Once you found them, click on their name or the corresponding edit button next to their entry to open their contact details. In the Contact Details window, you'll see a field labeled phone number or something similar. This is where you'll enter the WhatsApp number you want to associate with this particular contact. Carefully type in the complete and accurate WhatsApp number, including the country code, making sure to double-check for any typos. A single mistake can prevent your messages from reaching the right person. Once you've entered the number, click the Save or Update button, usually found at the bottom of the Contact Details window. This action saves the number and links it to the contact. Congratulations! You've successfully assigned a WhatsApp number to a contact in Aisensy. This will allow you to personalize future communications and targeted campaigns. Remember to repeat these steps for all your contacts for optimal contact management.